Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable notification on TikTok Now. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the TikTok Now application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and of course just log in into your account or sign in into your account. Of course, you can just link your TikTok with TikTok Now application and you'll be good to start using the TikTok Now application. So let me just go here and open my TikTok Now application, as you should of course, or as you already did if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So this will actually be your home or your main screen on the application, and of course you can discover whatever options you have here, or you can just go and check one of our videos which will tell you about TikTok Now. So of course, if you want to disable notification, all you need to do, just go to your account by clicking at your icon at the bottom right corner, then click at the top right corner, three lines. So of course, from here you'll have several sections. We have the settings section, about section, and login section. So of course, we would like just to go and click at the settings section at the option of push notifications. So of course, that will take you into your settings of your phone, and of course, if you want to disable specific notification, you can just go and disable it from here. But if you want to actually disable all the notification and you don't care about any notification of this application, which is TikTok Now, just go and click at the first one, which is on blue, and make it on gray like that. As you can see, Android is blocking this app notification from appearing on this device. So if you go back now, you will not receive any notification here at the notification bar, and let's just go here to the main screen. You'll not even get a notification at this icon at the top right corner. So if you click on it, you will find no activity yet. You will get no notifications. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.